Drop the gun! Show me your hands!
In recent months, 2 young men were shot while accidentally going to the wrong house. Although the 2 cases are very similar, there are a number of differences as well. On April 13th, 16-year-old Ralph Yarl went to 115th Street instead of 115th Terrace to pick up his younger twin brothers. He rang the doorbell, and 84-year-old Andrew Lester took longer than he anticipated to answer the door. And according to Yarl's attorneys, Lee Merritt and Ben Crump, he heard rustling inside the house, and the door opened, and Lester shot him in the head, and when he was on the ground, shot him again in the upper arm. He got up and ran, and Lester allegedly said, "Don't come back around here." Lester called 911 and told dispatch, "I shot him. He was at my door trying to get in, and I shot him." On August 26th, 20-year-old Nicholas Donofrio went to the wrong home and tried to enter around 2 a.m. It is believed that he thought the house was his, as he lived on the same block. The homeowner called the police on a report of an attempted burglary, but that was soon changed to a shots fired call. Donofrio suffered a gunshot wound to the upper body and died from his wounds. Where these stories are the same, both are young men, Yarl 16, Donofrio 20. Both incidents happened after dark, and in both cases, they were shot because the homeowner believed they were trying to break into their home. How the cases are different. Andrew Lester was charged with first-degree assault and armed criminal action. The homeowner in the Donofrio case was considered to be acting in self-defense, and no charges have been filed. He was protected by South Carolina's Stand Your Ground law. Missouri, where the Yarl incident occurred, also has Stand Your Ground laws, but they are not being applied to Andrew Lester. No photo was released, at least that I could find, of the man who shot Donofrio, but he was of lighter skin and he died in the incident, and the homeowner is facing no charges. Every headline on the Yarl case says something to the effect of "white man shoots black teen." And the 84-year-old white man who says he feared for his life because he's physically unable to protect himself is facing jail time, and Yarl survived. Race shouldn't play a role in this, but it does. The light-skinned Donofrio is killed in a similar situation to the darker-skinned Yarl, who survived, and the white man who shot the black teen is the only one facing charges. But there were also no protests for the shooting of the lighter-skinned Donofrio, as there were for Yarl. These things shouldn't make a difference, but they often do. Stand Your Ground laws give a person legal permission to use physical force to the extent he or she reasonably believes such force to be necessary to defend himself or herself.